In this video, I'm gonna talk about one course that will help you to improve your digital skills for study, life and work, and learn how to navigate the web effectively and safely. And this course is offered by King's College London, and it is Digital Skills Embracing Digital Technology. So let's know in detail about this course. If we scroll it, then here we can see its duration is 4 weeks and it is free, and most importantly the certificate is free too. Here digital upgrade free means you will get your free certificate after completing this course. And further, if we scroll, then here we can see what topics will it cover. That means the topic this course will cover for you. Then again, where we can see what will you achieve from these courses. You should go through all of these things, and that will attract you. Okay, now who is the course for? You should go through this. And again, who developed the course? As I already mentioned, it is developed by King's College London. And here, if we scroll it further, then here we can see what is included here in this course. The first one is that unlimited access to this course. The second one is that includes any articles, videos, peer reviews and quizzes. And last one is that a PDF certificate of achievement to prove your success when you are eligible. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click here, join now. Okay, then here you need to give your first name, last name, age, email address and password. Then you need to click here, register. There is another way to register here. If you want, you can use your Google account to register here. I am using Google account. Okay, here you can see welcome to the course Digital Skills Embracing Digital Technology. Then you need to simply click here, save and go to the course. So okay, at first you need to click here to do. Then here you will get all of the things that you need to do to complete these courses. Okay, here is 3 week, 4 week, you can see. Then here you need to click here activity, then click here progress to see that how much have you completed of these courses. So I think you already got the idea. So again, come back here to do. Okay, then here you can see week 1. Under week 1, these are the lesson 1.1, 1.2. So you need to complete one by one. At first you need to click here welcome to course overview. Then this video is about course overview. So in this way you can complete it one by one lesson, and in this way you can complete one by one week, and you will get your free certificate too.